Hello and welcome to another episode of Healing with VR. Okay, today I am Rashpal Bharadwaj. I am with Padmashri ma'am, who is our mentor and trainer and expert, and having incredibly immense knowledge about Bach Flower Remedies through her own experience and practice. And ma'am, welcome to today's interview. I'll be interviewing her for everybody over here to get some knowledge about what we do and what Bach Flower Remedies are. Ma'am, welcome to the interview. Can you tell me more about your journey in the Bach Flower Remedies and in the world of medical world of Bach Flower Remedies, ma'am?
Thank you for this opportunity, Dr. Rashpal. I am, as you said, I'm Padmashri. I am Bach Flower therapist and trainer. I am with VR since a couple of years now, and I am practicing Bach Flower therapy since quite some time. I am into a lot of healing and therapies, but Bach Flower is very close to my heart. That is
Right.
about my background.
How it all started and what inspired Dr. Edward Bach to think about Bach Flower Remedies or go for Bach Flower Remedies?
Okay, so see, as you said, Dr. Bash discovered Bach Flower Remedy, and he was seeing a lot of flaws in the existing medicine that he was practicing, and he found that that was not a complete healing. Like for example, if multiple people are having similar symptoms, they would be having different varieties of emotions as well. So for example, one person can come to you, tell that he's getting a lot of fever, but the reason behind his fever can be his fear. If it is a child, it can be their it's exam fear. If it is an adult, it can be their fear about the relationship, fear about their job, fear about their career. But what is the I mean, what do you think if we are simply giving a paracetamol for fever? Is it going to be a complete holistic healing?
No, it won't be. There are certainly some, I can say, conditions or situations which are associated with the patient at that moment,
Yes.
and we can say about the emotions also behind it. And uh, I just wanted to know more about like how these emotions are balanced with our bachelor remedies.
Yes. So Dr. Batch once, as he started thinking in these lines, he started understanding that different people come with different emotional background, and it is very important to heal their emotions, which are the root cause of these diseases. So this gave rise to Bach Flower therapy. And this is how today we are healing and following the same philosophy, where we will heal a person not with his symptoms but with the root cause, which are their hidden and unresolved emotions. So once this hidden and unresolved emotions are stabilized or resolved or processed, automatically they will start feeling that their physical symptom is also like processing and going away, and they are feeling a lot better, and they are getting a lot of physical health also. So
So
this
can you
is
put
the philosophy of
right,
Bach Flower.
certainly. As you said that there are some factors. So can you put just a little bit light over the parameters or what exactly is seen in the patient or when he's suffering something for emotions and what categories we place them into and how we ascertain he has got this exact situation.
Yeah. So, see, Dr. Bach's philosophy was very simple, huh? That heal their emotion, understand how they are feeling about their disease, right? How they are feeling in the current situation. He gives us all the hints for what medicine we have to give them. Huh? For example, a person comes with a lot of anxiety and fear. We can ask them several questions like, what type of fear is it? So there are, like, as you know, there are multiple types of fear. Some people can explain what fear they are going through, like the fear of water, fear of height, or something like that, fear of insects. But there are some who will say, I don't know what fear it is, but I'm simply getting the palpitations. I just before this interview, I was having a consultation in which a person was telling, "My head is bursting. I am feeling so restless. I'm feeling so scared. Uh, I don't know what to do." But he doesn't know the reason of his fear. Huh? So, like this, there are people who can't explain what fear it is. So, here, what we do is we try to analyze by the process of question and answer method.
Right.
We collect the keywords from the patient, and that keywords we use to identify what emotion it is. And based on that particular emotion, we map it to a medicine and we give them these remedies.
Right. Are there any examples with you where such patients have been administered Bach Flower remedies and they have come out of their situations, whatever they are, maybe in an office or at home or relationship with their loved ones, near and dear ones? You must be having some examples of yours.
Yeah, definitely. There are many such example. One that I can think of right now is, one of my client who was having OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. She
Right.
had so much of anxiety towards dust, infection, and disease, and cleaning also. She used to
Right.
clean the
It's
house
quite
several
evident
times.
from such people. We can, when we see
Yes,
them, they
yes.
are always doing such things like, yeah.
Clean
Like,
herself several times. Even if her kids go out to play, she was like, she once they come back, she has to give them a head bath. So like this, she used to do a lot of behaviors were there. But then after taking this remedies, this medicines, her emotions are way calmed down, and now she's able to manage. She tells me that I know all this is not right, and I know how much I was troubling my family, how much I was troubling my husband and my kids, with all this. Not just I suffering out of this, but I also suffered, help, made them suffer. Hmm? So now she's realizing this, and now she's almost 80-90% out of it. It is just a couple of months since she's taking this remedies, and she's very hopeful that she's going to come out of this completely and successfully.
yeah. People have situations like they are into some addictions or they are, as you said, OCD. So they are obsessed with something and they keep on doing the same mistakes again and again. Maybe in their career, in their personal life also. Do they come out of it with our remedies as well? Right?
Definitely, yes. Why not? So it is all based on, see, life gives us experience so that we learn, we get the learning out of it. Huh? So if this person is not taking the learning from the life's experiences, then the life will repeat the experience to you. That is when we feel that again and again I am troubled. But if we do a little introspection, we will understand that probably life is giving this learning to me again and again, because something is there which I am forgetting, which I'm missing.
Definitely.
So vascular remedy is going to help them understand and realize what is that they are missing, and get the learning and move out,
Right.
break the loop and move out.
And here I would like to ask you also why VR and at VR what can we do? Like what can we learn or we can get the consultations? Can you just guide us through that?
Definitely. See, VR is an organization started by two of our senior mentors and master trainers, Digvijay ji and Apurva ji. Both of them are doing great work in this field. This is a beautiful, no profit, no loss training institute, and organization where we are also doing a lot of social impact projects, huh? Apart from the regular consultations and trainings that we give. One reason why everyone should come to VR is that, in VR you will get that uninterrupted hand holding and help and support for longer period of time. Huh? Like you yourself are our new therapist now, and you can also say how much of and to what extent you are getting the help from VR and from the VR trainers and mentors, right?
Right. Today's interview itself is an example that we are getting a lot of tech support. We are getting all the facilities. Like our fees is just not a tuition fees where they are teaching us or making us. They are giving us all the facilities, tech support, software. And here I have also got the opportunity to become a trainer, and I have taken a task for it, and I'll be going for the training for the trainers as well, and where we can spread the
Excellent.
message. Can you just tell me more, because we have very less time over here, how we can benefit also from this?
From
You can say.
okay, see, from this interview, the message that I want to give to everyone who's viewing this interview is that, if you are the one who's facing any type of physical and emotional setback, or if you see people around you who are suffering physical health issues, mental health issues, emotional setbacks, behavioral issues, it is not an era to hold back. It is not a time where people used to say we have to hide those things. It is a shameful act to speak about the mental health. No, it is not the time. I want each one of you to reach out to us. Hmm? See, for example, you can reach out to Dr. Rajpal, you can reach out to me. My number is next to my name, in this name that is displayed. And you can reach out to us, ask for help, take consultations. And the best part of it is Dr. Bach's philosophy, which is heal thyself. He wanted people to heal themselves rather than depending on others. So
Right.
here is a right opportunity where you can come, learn this training from us, learn learn and become a government certified therapist. You yourself can become a therapist. You, the person who is suffering with a lot of health issues, can now become, you have got an opportunity to become a pillar of health, a warehouse, a lighthouse, a powerhouse of health for you, your family, your network, and the society in which you are living in. It's a very
Right.
beautiful way to give back to the society. Hmm?
Right. It's a wonderful opportunity as well for
Yes.
people to not only decide as their career, but also helping many people. Like we at heart feel like helping others, but this is a right way we can emotionally help people.
Yeah,
I'm
I
very
just
thankful
want
to you.
to say about this training, Raspalji.
Right.
So this is just 5 days training and 2 hours each day. And in this 5 days training, any one of you, you need not have any medical background. Anyone, even if you are a housewife, even if you are a software engineer, you can still become a therapist and start spreading health. In just 5 days, 2 hours each day, you will become Skill India certified Bach Flower therapist. So this is
That's
a excellent
incredible.
opportunity. Yes. And
And
I
I
would
believe
recommend everyone to make use of this facility.
right, right, right. So take your decisions now and immediately press on the buttons and the links they are given below. And certainly, I would like to thank Padma Shri ma'am for giving her valuable time and come and throw light on Bachelor remedies and helping people coming out of their emotional disturbances and balancing them. We have to just open our heart to the consultant or the trainers when we are taking training. And you won't believe, I was very much troubled when I joined over there because of my wife's ill health. And when the medicines were administered, she has come out of it, and now she's ready for her job again after a year's time. Thank you, Batch Flower. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, we are as well, because this is an organization which is necessitating everything. Thank you.
Definitely. Indeed.